Are you looking for something that's quick, easy, and delicious? Something that your whole family will like? Got a little spice, a little bit of sweet? I think you'll enjoy this. It is called the 5 Degrees of Enlightenment. Now this has been inspired by one of my favorite local restaurants here in Sudbury, Ontario called the Laughing Buddha. 5 Degrees of Enlightenment was my favorite go-to. Come on, let's check it out. I'll show you how to make it. So I've pre-roasted the chicken, so all I'm going to do is just thinly slice it. When I roasted the chicken, I just painted it a little bit with some sriracha and seasoned it with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. That's nice. Alright, so now I'm just going to put together my 5 Degrees of Enlightenment. Come on, let's check it out. So we're going to start with the sweet chili Thai sauce. We are going to use that as a base. As you can see, I'm just putting that on. Now you can put this on as thick or as thin as you'd like. I'm just going to start by brushing this out. We'll see how much more I'm going to put on. Next, I'm going to add my cheese. And again, put as much or as little as you want. I love to cheese it up, right? Next, I'm going to put on my red onions. Sprinkle those on. I don't want too many all in one spot. Break them up a little bit if they've stuck. I'm going to add slices of chicken. Now if they're too thick, you can cut these up a little bit more. I don't mind them a little bit thick. Or you can just rip them apart. Just like that, actually. That's what I'm going to do. And last but not least, I'm going to put my hot banana peppers on. Now don't forget to wash your hands after, because touch your eyes or other parts, it'll burn. Now that's all there is to it. There's your 5 Degrees of Enlightenment. Now to put it in the oven. Alright, so after about 10 minutes, we've taken these out of the oven. Again, 5 Degrees of Enlightenment, and your more traditional pizza style. We're just going to cut these into 4s. So I just like to add some cilantro as a garnish. And it gives a nice color. Look how beautiful that looks. Alright, can't wait to try it. Oh yeah, look, nice and cheesy. Now, this 5 Degrees of Enlightenment is inspired by one of my favorite local restaurants here. The Laughing Buddha here in Sudbury, Ontario. This was my favorite pizza that they had, and I would order it every single time. That is fantastic, guys. The sweetness from the sweet chili Thai sauce as a base gives it a nice sweetness. You got some nice hot heat from the banana peppers. The chicken is nice and juicy. The onions, of course, they're onions. Who doesn't love an onion? And the cilantro as a garnish gives it just a nice clean finish. All in all, this is super easy to do. I make this often. My family loves it. And I think this is something that you will like to make as well. It's easy, it's fast, and it's delicious. Now I'm pairing my 5 Degrees of Enlightenment with Full Beard Brewing's Twisted Whisker Series. It is a passion fruit sour. The tanginess of the sour beer will contrast perfectly with the sweetness of the sweet chili Thai base that will be used in the 5 Degrees of Enlightenment, and it will give some nice opposing flavors. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, I'll ask you to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications down below. That way there you will never miss out on our future content. Now, it doesn't cost you a thing, but it helps me out quite a bit. Now, with that being said, I want to thank you for hanging out tonight. This has been Beer, Bros, and Bon Appetit. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.